All right, so let's configure the BGP now. So I will go to the outside and I will say that router BGP1. I will say that network. I will first say that neighbor 100.0.0.254 remote AS as 1 should be neighbor. Right, so I define the neighbor. Now you do have two ways to you can define. So if I say exit and if I say no router BGP1, so router BGP1, I can say that address family IPv4. So if you're dealing with IPv4 and IPv6, this is how you can segregate your configuration. You can say that address family IPv4, and actually here you can say that neighbor will be 100.0.0.254 with remote AS. Number one. And next, I want to advertise my prefixes, that is 100.0.0.0 with mask 255.255.0 and network 3.3.0 with mask 255.255.0 and exit and exit. Now again, the coming to the advertisement. So the network I am using /24. That's why I'm exactly advertising those networks. So if I'm using /32, then I will exactly define the /32 network over here. Right. So if I say that loop back interface IPv4 address will be 4.4.4 to 55. And this is the /32. So if I go back to router BGP, okay, I have used the router BGP1. So what I will do, I will just change this one here. And also I said that remote AS as number 1. So let me change back. I will remove it completely. I'm going to reconfigure that one. So what I can say is that no router BGP 1. Now it should be router BGP2. Address family will be IPv4. Neighbor will be 100.0.0.254 with remote AS as number 1. Network will be 100.0.0.0 with mask 255.255.0 and network will be 3.3.0 with mask 255.255.0. Network 4.4.0 with mask 255 /. So this was network 4 was /32. This is what I have advertised /32. So if I say exit, exit and exit. Now let's go to the ASA now, and here I will say that router BGP number 1. Here also I will say address family IPv4. I will say neighbor will be 100.0.0.1 with the remote AS as number 2 and exit and exit. So there is nothing, no networks to be advertised on the ASA. It is only advertising from the outside. So here you see that my BGP is up. If I go to my ASA now, if I say show route, and I should see 3, and I should also see number 4 soon. So if I'm not able to see number 4, then I have to change it on the. So I will say router BGP2 address family IPv4 no network 4.4.0 with mask 255. I have to say network 4.4.4 with mask 255.255 and exit and exit. And now if I come back here and now I should see 4.4.4. That I have advertised wrongly on the BGP. So now you can see that I got the BGP routes. So with the BGP routes, I'm getting the BGP over here. Now I said that from the higher zone, higher security zone to the lower security zone, the traffic is being allowed. But the only problem on the outside will be that outside network doesn't know about the inside, and also it does not have any default gateway. So what I can say is that IP route 0/0/0, or I will try to send it from the BGP. Let me see. Router BGP1 address family IPv4 default information originate and exit and exit. And let me come here, and if I say do show IP route, and you see that I got the default route and it says static. I think I did not remove that static one, so I will remove it. IP route. Okay, you see that I have removed the default route. Still, you do have that one, which is going towards the ASA, but it should be showing me as a BGP, but I'm not sure why it is showing the static. All right, so that's how you will send the default. You will advertise the default gateway in the BGP. Now, if I go back to my inside and if I say that do ping 3.3.3 with source loopback 0, you see that I'm able to ping. So if I say that do telnet 3.3.3, and you see that I'm able to get the access. All right, so this was the OSPF and the BGP. I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.